Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In the previous video, I talked about alpha plus beta formulas. And in this video, I wanna talk to you about two alpha formulas. So let's go. We know that sine of alpha plus beta is equal sine alpha cosine beta plus sine beta times cosine alpha. Okay? And if in this formula alpha is equal beta, so we have sine alpha plus alpha, because alpha is equal beta. Alpha plus alpha is equal to alpha. Sine alpha times sine cosine alpha plus sine alpha times cosine alpha is equal to sine alpha times cosine alpha. Okay? Or sine alpha times cosine alpha is equal 1/2 sine 2 alpha. Alright. Number 2. We know that cosine alpha plus beta is equal cosine alpha times cosine beta minus sine alpha times sine beta. Okay? So, if alpha is equal beta, we have cosine 2 alpha is equal cosine alpha times cosine alpha is equal cosine squared alpha minus sine alpha times sine alpha minus sine squared alpha. Okay? So, cosine 2 alpha is equal cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha. And we know that sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha is equal 1. So, sine squared alpha is equal 1 minus cosine squared alpha. And cosine squared alpha is equal 1 minus sine squared alpha. Okay? So, in this formula, we have cosine 2 alpha is equal cosine squared alpha is equal 1 minus sine squared alpha. We have 1 minus sine squared alpha minus sine alpha minus sine squared alpha. So, cosine 2 alpha is equal 1 minus sine squared alpha. Sorry, 2 times sine squared. One minus 2 times sine squared alpha. Okay? And cosine 2 alpha is equal, we have sine squared alpha is equal 1 minus cosine squared alpha. So, cosine 2 alpha is equal cosine squared alpha minus sine squared alpha is equal 1 minus cosine squared alpha. 1 minus cosine squared alpha. So we have cosine squared alpha minus 1 plus cosine squared alpha. So we have 2 cosine squared alpha minus 1. So, cosine 2 alpha is equal 1 minus 2 sine squared alpha, and cosine 2 alpha is equal 2 times cosine squared alpha minus 1. Okay? So we have minus 2 sine squared alpha is equal cosine 2 alpha minus 1. So if we divide both sides of this equation by minus 2, we have sine squared alpha is equal 1 minus cosine 2 alpha divided by 2. Okay? And this formula, squared alpha is equal cosine 2 alpha plus 1. Cosine 2 alpha plus 1. So, if we divide both sides of this equation by 2, we have cosine squared alpha is equal 1 plus cosine 2 alpha divided by 2. So, these two formulas are very golden and very useful. You'll see later when solving problems. Okay? And finally, we know that tangent alpha plus beta is equal tangent alpha plus tangent beta divided by 1 minus tangent alpha times tangent beta. So if alpha is equal beta, we have tangent 2 alpha is equal tangent alpha plus tangent alpha is equal to tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent alpha times tangent alpha is equal tangent squared alpha. But don't worry, we'll do so many examples with them. See you soon on the next video.